this is the gateway we have. So we're gonna connect this one to the power, and then we add the internet cable. Oh, first I have to connect this here, and then we have to add the internet cable. So we show it's on. So first we go to App Store and we type Zenith Smart. And we can download the application from here. So then we click on the application we just installed. We go to Gateway Center, Gateway List, and then plus button to add the new gateway. Then we're gonna scan the barcode, so click on the bar scan, and then we're gonna scan the code. It automatically writes the numbers which is mentioned in here. Then we can add the password, which in our case is password 3, and click on bind. So we can see the new gateway is added to our list. So if we go to the gateway list, we can see this is added. Once we know that we are connected to our new installed gateway and selected, then we can back to the devices, select the plus button, add devices. Since we want to add a motion detection sensor, we need to select security, and then we can select the device that we want to add, which is this one, and then start adding. In the meantime, we're gonna open the device. We have to select the set button and press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can say that it starts blinking, and then this light, which is gonna stay for 2 seconds, shows that it's already added to the system.
Motion detector detects somebody passing by. PIR motion detector detects somebody. PIR motion detector detects somebody passing by. PIR motion detector detects somebody passing by.
So if we go to the devices,
PIR motion detector detects
we
somebody.
can see it's already added in here. So what we can do, we can disarm, so it's not going to send us message
PIR
anymore.
motion detector detects somebody passing by.
So if I just close it, now it's ready to be installed in a wall or anywhere. So when someone passes from here, you will get a message if it is on. Now we want to add a new circuit. As you can see, we have a button, turn on and turn off button, and a set button. So first I added to electricity, and then I can go to our device, to our application, the plus button, add device, then select socket, and then the socket type, which is a metering type, then start adding. Then we go in here and select the set button 4 times, and then we can see it's already added in here. You can choose the name, so we can say my plug, let's say. Then you can select done, and it's already in here. So from here you can make it on, which is gonna be turn on the electricity for every device which is connected in here, or just turn it off. Once it's on, it can also show you how much electricity and power is being used. And since the new one is just 0 for the time being. So we already have 2 devices. So now if you go to home, you can see the first page of the application. You can add the shortcut. So if you click on edit, then you can say that in your shortcut, for example, you want to say my plug and security system, and click on done. So then you can see you can pause them in the first page. So you can on and off it from here, or you can arm or disarm your motion detection. The next step is just adding one scene in here. So I click on all. You can see we don't have any scene at the time being, so I click on plus, assuming that I want to make a scene for the night. So when we go to sleep, I want this thing to be happen. And then I click on confirm. Then I want to add task. We already have only 2 devices, so I want to make the PR motion arm, but I want it to be arm after 10 minutes after I choose this scene. So I click on here and then select 10 minutes. Then I want to add my plug, so I want to turn it off to save the electricity when we are sleeping, and then click on done. So click on save. So when I want to go to bed, I just can click on night, and this is going to be off, and the motion detection is going to be armed. So we can go through different parts of the application. If we go to devices, you can see we have 2 devices as we just installed these 2 devices. In here you can choose only devices that are related to security, which this will count, or for example only the sockets, and this will count, or all the categories. Also you can have different areas. For example, you can create a new area, manage areas, and then you can create a new area, let's say my room. And then you can select and add. You can add, like, let's say the plug to my room. So then we go to the all areas. If I select my room, my plug will come, and if I go to all areas, all devices will be shown here.